Do you want to learn how to use your GoPro Hero to make vertical video, which is perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how. Out of all the people who watch videos on this channel, more than 90% aren't subscribed. Now, if you've learned anything on this channel or got any enjoyment along the way, I would really appreciate it if you would do me a solid and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Just doing these couple of things shows your support and really helps the growth of my channel, so I can keep making videos like this one here for you. And in return, I'll do my very best each and every week to bring you the best news and views from the world of action cameras, which includes the amazing GoPro Hero. Thanks for listening. Let's get back to the video. Accessing vertical video on your GoPro is super easy. From the rear screen, you want to tap on the oblong down the bottom, and then you're going to come to this next screen here. Now you want to choose your video option and then tap on the little squiggle icon to the right. This is going to bring up your video settings menu. Now in this menu here, you can see down the bottom we have the aspect ratio, and it gives you 4 to choose from. Now the one that we're looking for today is the aspect ratio of 9 to 16. Tap on that. Now once you've done that, tap on the mode button on the left of the camera to bring you back to your rear screen. And straight away, you can now start recording your vertical video. With this amazing camera, you'll be able to create your next masterpiece for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok in just a matter of seconds. But to learn more about the cool things you can do with this camera, you want to click on this video over here,